So that's my breakfast: African tea, grapes, arrowroots, an egg, and a sausage. Yeah. Today I'm making some heavy breakfast. We have some African tea. How I cook my tea is boiling until the water and the tea leaves come together, and before I add milk. So I'll tag you along. Then I'm here, I want to boil some eggs. I have the egg steamer, you can see. So I'm just going to set it up. To make my eggs, I just add water, enough water. Then I put the rack, and then I add my eggs. Yeah, and then you cover, because it's a steamer, so it needs to be covered. The problem is that my eggs are too many, so I need to adjust. Okay, we can put that one there and put that one there. Let's see if we add this one, if we'll be able to cover. No. So let me remove this one. Yeah, at least now we can cover, and then we turn it on here. Oh, I had forgotten to switch on the power, so it's on. So I've ended up making 5. Let's wait for it. I turned to shoot and my tea is over boiling. Yeah, so what I do is I reduce the heat and allow it to boil until it's evenly cooked. Yeah, for the sausages, I'm cooking them under low heat. Okay, that's why they are not yet burnt offering, and I'll take time until they are evenly cooked. For my eggs, they're still cooking. It works automatically, so once the eggs are ready, it's just going to turn itself off. And how it detects that the eggs are ready is by the water that we added. Once it dries up, the machine is just going to turn itself off. We also have some arrowroots and some grapes, which you're going to have with it for the breakfast. Yeah. So that's my breakfast: African tea, grapes, arrowroots, an egg, and a sausage. Yeah. Hello good people, hope you're doing well. We are taking stock of how we are doing when it comes to shopping. We are 2 weeks after my major shopping, and I didn't need to go to the market. I just need a few things. For cabbages, I've only added 1, and I'm going to add 2 for the week. And the greens I have bought for the week. For the supermarket, I'm not buying anything else. I still have some onions that can take us a week. We also have some potatoes, might take us a week or so. For the supermarket items, we only have black beans, and 2 packets of Hostess. Clearly we are eating chapatis and not ugali. Rice, we still have some stock. This is the amount of rice that we have, so it will take us to the end of the month. For the other items, you can see we have maize flour. It's sufficient. Wheat flour. I opened another pack of Atamak 1 when the other pack was still half, but we are going to refill. Yeah, so basically we have enough quantity. This packet of sugar, the jar has been cleaned, so we are just going to add it. Yeah, so I don't think we'll be shopping again until the end of the month. So I would say the shopping from the market really helped, and just checking through the offers and getting the items on offer. I also bought tissues and kitchen towels in wholesale, so I've stocked for like 2 or 3 months. I decided to buy kitchen towels in bulk. This is the brand here. So I got all these at I think 2000 and something. So each one is 100 and some. I'll insert the price. Then I decided to get tissues. This is the first time I'm ordering this brand, so I decided to just take 40 to start with. Then I will add some more once I am satisfied with the brand. Yeah, so we are doing well. So let's keep tabs and see how by the end of the month we will be faring. I have just added a few things. Let me show you. So I've restocked Tuzo, the carton. Then I got the greens. These are spinach and sorrel bunch. During the last shopping, I forgot to buy Blue Band, so we didn't have margarine, but we had butter. That's what we have been using, so I've restocked margarine. Since our last batch cooking, we have not batch cooked again, so but they are running out, so I've restocked some kamande lentils and butter beans. I had shopped for salt, but I like seeing a whole pack where we stock our items, so I decided to buy another one. And I also got all-purpose flour and some soda. So to the status of the fridge, we have this rice which we had cooked yesterday. These are pineapples. These are tomatoes and bell peppers. These are arrowroots, and I think they should be up here. And these are also tomatoes, more tomatoes. And we have a pineapple, small cabbage, and some carrots. This will serve us for the coming week. Yeah, you can see yesterday we had some guests, so that's why we have more sodas, but we don't stock soda. Yeah, and those things, you can see we have been using this kabata, but it's running out. Going to the freezer, we have some maize, so actually we needed the beans. You can see we have 2 lots of maize, so we needed some beans so that we can make githeri. We have some mbuzi and beef, and we have some soup for mom, and we have some dal here. This is a oxtail for the soup, and then we have a few items here, and I think that's it. So we are not restocking, we are just using what is left, and we will only batch cook when this freezer is empty. My takeaways are, I think I was excited over shopping for lots of stuff, so I ended up overstocking the other month and just buying unnecessary items. But this month, since I'm conscious about the budget, I'm able to buy the items that we actually need. We are working on reducing the budget by 7 to 10k. We are still on track, but at the end of the month, we will review and see whether we have made progress. We also had some visitors and we got some gifts. I'm back from the market. I needed a few things for next week. Let me just show you what I got. We have sweet potatoes. I've realized we cannot stock sweet potatoes for long because the ones I got just ran out within a week. We have arrowroots. The arrowroots were 400, the sweet potatoes 100, and the butternut 100. Then I got some bananas. At least today I got at a good rate. It was 10 shillings a piece. And then I got the cabbages. One piece was 80 bob. Yeah. The other day I bought a cabbage almost this size at 160. How painful. Yeah, so basically the items that we have added are the things that usually we add in the course of the week. So we are still on track with our reduction of the budget by 7 to 10,000. We'll see by the end of the month. Yeah. Since the quantity has reduced, so I'm just setting them upright. I've added 1 packet of all-purpose flour and lentils, salt. The black beans were there, and butternut. Yeah, so that's our current stock, and I would say we are almost mid-month, so we are doing fairly okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new, kindly consider subscribing. If you're returning, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. See you on the next one. Bye.